ImportError, no module named bs4, BeautifulSoup. I'm working in Python and using Flask. When I run my main Python file on my computer, it works perfectly, but when I activate venv and run the Flask Python file in the terminal, it says that my main Python file has no module named bs4. Any comments or advice is greatly appreciated.
Activate the virtual env, and then install BeautifulSoup 4. When you installed bs4 with easy_install, you installed it system-wide. So your system Python can import it, but not your virtual env Python. If you do not need bs4 to be installed in your system Python path, uninstall it and keep it in your virtual env. For more information about virtual envs, read this.
Just tagging onto Balthazar's answer. Running. Did not work for me. Instead use
for Python 2.x, for Python 3,
Try this.